Kanjivaram silk saree, a bridal collection on zari warp. Here the warp of the saree is completely in copper zari. You can see the beautiful copper glow on the saree, and completely the saree is in blue combination. Copper combined with blue in the saree, and the borders have blaze blue and fully in silver zari weaving. Very elegant one. All self weaving. You can see both copper and silver combinedly used for the meena work. The whole saree is done the same way. And we have borders, which is 10-inch border at the bottom and top 4-inch. Both jacquard weaving border, completely handmade, beautiful saree. The pallu of the saree here is also on the copper and blue combination. You can see this is the warp, and combined with the beautiful concept, rich pallu is given with blouse piece combination of zari and blue. The borders are also given on the blouse piece, which is very elegant. Completely a ultimate beautiful bridal collection, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram silk saree, a bridal collection. A zari warp concept, beautiful sarees in a silver zari base here with excellent borders. The borders are in contrast green color base. The saree here is pink and purple mixed color with beautiful meena work done in orange and beautiful shades of green. Very elegant one. All over the saree we have the all self weaving design. The borders here are 8-inch in the border, and top we have 4-inch, both jacquard weaving, and it is done using silver zari, silver and gold mixed color. It is very different color. You can see the zari warp here. The warp itself is zari, which is very pretty. All over the pallu we have the zari mixed with green color for the pallu, and pallu is fully elegantly woven. Rich one with the blouse piece also in the same concept, zari mixed with green. The blouse piece also have the borders, which we can use for the sleeves. An excellent saree, very rich and beautiful collection, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram silk saree, bridal collection with zari warp. Here the copper zari is the beautiful warp here. You can see the copper glow on the saree. Along with that, green is combined. All over we have a leaf and floral mixed pattern, which is done using orange, green and silver zari as well as copper zari. A beautiful weaving, completely hand woven saree with the orange color borders. The orange borders are done with silver zari here, jacquard weaving. 4-inch border at the top and bottom we have 8-inch border. It is a jacquard weaving pure Kanjivaram border. The saree's pallu is also on the orange base. Very elegant pallu, fully woven, very rich and beautiful collection. Completely hand woven with zari as well as thread mixed one. It is orange blouse also. Zari and orange thread is mixed here. The borders are given in the blouse piece, which we can use for the sleeves of the blouse piece. You can see the warp of the saree itself is copper zari. Excellent one, a perfect bridal saree for the trending brides, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram silk saree, a bridal collection. Very elegant zari warp design. Here we have a silver zari warp. On it, a mild mustard color is the saree color with beautiful golden zari and pink used for the meena work all over. Excellently hand woven, beautiful saree with the pink borders in both sides. The top border is a 4-inch border, the bottom border is an 8-inch border. A typical Kanjivaram borders used done by jacquard weaving. And the pallu of the saree here is also a very elegant, rich pallu. We have very beautiful design in the pallu, fully woven with golden zari, and you can see the warp here is silver, and the blouse piece is also silver and pink combination. The borders of the blouse piece is also given in the same way, which can be used for the sleeves of the blouse. Excellent saree, best for the bridal collection, and comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram silk saree, a bridal collection with zari warp. Very trending and beautiful sarees. On the base, copper zari warp here. You can see the glow of the copper on the base. Excellent collection with all over the meena work done using silver and copper zari. A leaf design, very elegantly hand woven all over. And orange borders are given. It's a jacquard weaving border. Top border is 4 inches. Beautiful weaving, and bottom border is 8 inches. With silver zari it is done. A typical Kanjivaram borders. The saree's pallu is also with the zari and combination of orange. Very elegant pallu. Fully woven design. And the blouse piece is also with the copper and orange combination. The borders are given on the blouse piece, which can be used for the blouse piece sleeve. Excellent saree, beautiful weaving, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram silk saree, a bridal collection with beautiful zari warp. Here we have a silver and gold mixed zari color. Very elegant one. On it, pink, yellow and multi colors are used. A peacock pattern, very elegantly hand woven it is. Purely hand woven with pink borders in both sides. It's a bright candy pink color. The bottom border is a kanji border with 8 inches, and it is on silver zari, and top border is a jacquard weaving border with 4 inches. A best beautiful party wear sari, best for the Indian weddings. And here we have a pallu. Pallu is also fully woven with copper and silver zari. You can see the beautiful combination of pink and the base shuttle color in the body. The pallu's blouse piece is here also in the combination of silver zari and pink. You can see the warp itself is here zari. Excellent one. The blouse piece have the borders which can be used for the sleeves of the blouse piece. An excellent beautiful bridal saree, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram silk saree, a very beautiful bridal collection. An excellent golden shade saree here. The color of the saree itself in the deep golden honey color, and you can see the mild work done on the saree, fully woven. Excellent big borders. The top border here is with red and combination of copper, and it is with almost 5 inches with thin border in the green, and we have a very big 16-inch border at the bottom. It's a typical Kanjivaram border with the peacocks and the full work done. An excellent bridal saree. You can see the glow with the combination of deep pink color. The Rani pink is the pallu. The pallu also have very beautiful woven design, completely hand woven, and we have blouse piece which also have the big borders in deep Rani pink color, which can be used completely for the sleeves. A very different, beautiful, excellent, exclusive bridal collection, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram bridal silk saree, a trending, most beautiful premium Kanjivaram on zari wire. Here we have a copper zari base. On it, light green color is the silk here used, and all over red is used for the meena work. Very beautiful collection. The combination of red and green and all over also weaving a perfect wedding saree with the red borders. The border have golden zari. It's a shuttle gold mix of silver and gold color zari used for the borders, and top border is 4 inches, and the bottom border is a typical Kanjivaram border in 8 inches. And here we have the combination of silver and gold color in the zari, in the pallu, and all over this pallu pattern it is woven very elegantly along with red base, and red and zari color is mixed here for the blouse piece. The blouse piece also have the borders which we can use for the sleeves of the blouse piece. Excellent saree, beautiful combination, color is very perfect with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram bridal silk saree, a trending beautiful zari warp sarees with a excellent combination colors, most beautiful one for the Indian brides. Here we have a copper zari base saree with the pink and green used for the sarees weaving, completely a 3D type weaving, elegantly done using meena work all over the saree. The borders of the saree here is deep pink with silver zari woven design. Top border is 4 inches, and the bottom border is a typical Kanjivaram border with 10 inches. The blouse piece, the pallu of the saree is a zari woven one. You can see silver zari, golden zari, and pink is used here. Very rich border, and it comes in the pallu all over, with the blouse piece also having zari and combination of silk with the borders running in the blouse piece as well, which we can use for the sleeves. An excellent saree, beautiful pallu, it comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram bridal silk saree, a very beautiful zari woven trending bridal collection, a premium one in Kanjivaram. On copper zari base, we have a beautiful rose pattern, very famous and top trending design. You can see the closely done one. Copper zari is the base, and purple violet color is used here for the weaving. 3D type finish on the floral part, all self weaving, and the borders here are deep purple color, violet color, blue and violet mixed color with the silver zari work. Top border is 4 inches, and the bottom border is a typical Kanjivaram border with peacocks and floral, which is a 10-inch border. And here we have a copper zari woven blouse pallu. Pallu also have meena work, very closely woven, beautiful pallu with borders. And the blouse piece of the saree is also having the zari combined with violet color base for the beautiful blouse piece. The blouse piece also have the borders which we can use for the sleeves and the beautiful pattern or ari work. Excellent saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram bridal silk saree, a premium trending bridal collection on zari wire. Here we have a very pretty saree on golden zari base. Blue color is given for the thread and mixed combined zari work, and we have golden color as well as copper and fine colors like red are used here for the Meena work of beautiful weaving saree. The 3D flowers would look like a 3D work. It's completely weaving, hand woven one. The borders in the bright red color. Golden zari is used for the weaving. Jacquard weaving. 4 inches for the top border and 8 inches for the bottom border. Bottom border is a typical Kanjivaram border with a floral creepers pattern. The pallu of the saree is also in the red and zari base. Beautiful big pallu. Very elegantly hand woven pallu. With the borders running in the pallu as well. The blouse piece is also a zari combined with red combination. Blouse piece can have a beautiful zari woven borders. Excellent saree, beautiful collection. It comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram silk saree, a premium silk on the zari warp base. Here we have silver zari warp on it. A peach color is given for the base color of the saree with blue and yellow used for the weaving. Finely woven, beautiful saree. You can see the 3D finished flowers on it. Excellent weaving. And the purple color is given for the borders. The border base is dark purple with silver zari weaving again. A jacquard weaving border. Top border is 4 inches and the bottom border is 8 inches. A typical Kanjivaram border. The bottom with silver zari work. And the pallu of the saree here is also in the silver zari base with purple used for the weaving. Finely woven, rich pallu, big pallu and rich pallu too. With the blouse piece also having the same zari and purple mixed color, silver and purple mixed color. And the borders are given on the blouse piece also, which you can use for the sleeves of the saree. A very beautiful and trending silk bridal, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram silk saree, a premium bridal collection. Zari warp, very beautiful golden zari warp saree here on it. A very different 3D type weaving. Completely it is weaving, not print. Done using pink, yellow and multiple color silk threads. We have silver zari also to give the finishing to the saree. A finely woven, beautiful all silk collection with the borders in deep pink color. The borders are done using silver zari. Top border is 4 inches and the bottom border here is 8 inches. A typical Kanjivaram border with the peacocks and the mango design. And the pallu of the saree here is very elegant weaving. Completely the zari base, and we have on it the work is done with the zari, the pink threads, which gives a beautiful finish to the pallu. The pallu have the borders running in it. The blouse piece is also a combination of silver zari and the pink combo. The borders runs in the blouse piece as well, which we can use for the sleeves of the saree. An excellent saree, very different, exclusive collection, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram bridal silk saree, a very beautiful collection, a premium bridal silk of Kanjivaram, which is trending now. Copper zari base, you can see the beautiful copper glow on the saree. On it, pink and other silver zaris are used here to get a beautiful Meena work. A very rich saree, finely hand woven, beautiful weaving it is. With the silver zari woven borders on the pink base itself, we have top border, jacquard weaving 4 inches and the bottom border here is 10 inches. And we have a beautiful copper base pallu with pink combination. Meena work pallu it is. Pallu is also very grand with the borders running in the both sides, and the blouse piece also have the borders. The blouse piece here is zari combined with thread, which gives a beautiful zari woven glittery finish. Excellent saree, a fine finish one with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram silk saree, a bridal collection. Very beautiful Meena work, elegant sarees, a premium fine stuff of Kanjivaram. Very trendy bridal collection it is with the red combination. The saree here is in the warp, golden zari warp, and on it the multicolored Meena work is done. Completely it is weaving, a 3D kind work. You can see the finish, completely handmade, beautiful sarees with a big border, an 8-inch border at the bottom in the red base with the Kanjivaram beautiful jacquard weaving border. Silver zari is used for the borders, and the top border is also 4 inches. The pallu here is also beautifully woven with the zari and thread mixed weaving, a finely woven pallu, and we have same zari mixed with thread combination blouse piece. Blouse piece also have the running borders, very elegant one, which we can use for the sleeves of the blouse piece. Excellent saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram bridal silk saree, copper zari base with beautiful all over self weaving. Very different design, exclusive sarees. Very elegant copper zari base. You can see the peacocks inside the beautiful floral pattern. Multiple colors are used. Red and green are very prominent. On the copper base, you can see the very elegant peacock design, which is done using silk threads again. So we have work also with green combination. Green is also bright parrot green color. The top border of the saree here is 4 inches with jacquard weaving, and the bottom border is 8 inches. Both done using golden zari, and we have a very beautiful zari silk saree. You can see the beautiful copper zari finish bar. On it, the golden zari weaving is done in the pallu. Very beautiful design with the same copper and green combination blouse piece. The blouse piece is also very beautiful with both sides border, which you can use for the sleeves. Excellent saree with elegant copper base, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram bridal silk, a very beautiful copper zari base saree with very elegant pink combination. Here we have Rani pink, a very beautiful combination, rare and elegant color, very attractive. You can see the copper glow as well as the pink's beauty in this particular saree, all over floral pattern. The pattern also have a golden zari shaded design. Really, it's very rare in weaving. Beautiful handloom weaving with the silver zari border. The border have pink base and silver zari is used here. Top border is 3 inches and the bottom border is 8 inches. And we also have the pallu, which is also in the hexagon weaving pattern. Very fast moving, beautiful collection. All over, this pallu is also very elegant with copper zari weaving. We also have meena work in the pallu. A rich collection with copper and silver, copper and pink in the pallu also, as well as in the blouse piece. Blouse piece have beautiful borders, which we can use for the sleeves of the saree. Beautiful collection. Grab yours soon. It comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram bridal collection. Very beautiful copper zari base, a party and a celebration wear, mainly for weddings. And here we have a pink combination, bright pink, very lovely color with copper base zari. Elegant floral pattern, very trendy and beautiful modern design all over, which is woven, hand woven design. And the pink borders are given on with silver zari weaving. The top border is 4 inches and the bottom border is 8 inches. Beautiful combination, the copper and pink are. And we have a blouse piece and pallu, which is also in copper zari with pink combination. Hexagon pattern all over weaving with the meena work in the pallu. And the blouse piece of the saree here is also a very elegant zari and silk woven. Pink and copper zari is woven here with borders, which can be used for the sleeves. Excellent saree, beautiful, rich collection, very fast moving, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram bridal silk saree, a premium, beautiful, trendy zari warp collection. Beautiful and glittery sarees, fully handmade weaving. A gold saree here, very beautiful gold zari base with same golden work. It's a beautiful weaving pattern all over the saree with the blue combination borders. The borders are sky blue color with jacquard weaving. The top border is a 4-inch border, and we have a very beautiful 16-inch big border at the bottom. It's a very beautiful weaving. You can see the work, elegant one with same tissue pallu. The pallu have the tissue and embossed pattern weaving, and we have beautiful golden zari work in the pallu. It is interlock weaving technique with very elegant weaving pattern. And we have same tissue blouse piece. It's an embossed pattern blouse piece with both sides. We have beautiful borders, which we can use for the sleeve. We will get a very big sleeve. Beautiful saree, a goldish, gorgeous saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram silk saree, bridal collection. Very beautiful copper zari war sarees with very elegant combination color. Here we have neon green on top of copper zari, which gives a beautiful copper glow as well as a green glow. Very elegant saree with meena work done on the copper zari all over the saree. It's an all silk weaving with borders in beautiful green, light green color with silver zari design in the borders. The top border is 4 inches and the bottom border is here 8 inches. Beautiful Kanjivaram type border. Best and beautiful wedding collection of Kanjivaram with the zari bar. You can see the bar threads, which is copper, and we have beautiful rich pallu. The pallu is also elegantly woven with hexagon weaving pattern. The blouse piece is copper zari mixed with light green color to give a beautiful glow with borders. Complete saree is an elegant, fine, beautiful saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram bridal silk saree, a very beautiful copper zari war sarees with very elegant meena work and all silk weaving, a fully hand woven beautiful design. You can see the beautiful copper glow. The warp itself is copper here, and violet threads are used to get a beautiful saree with tree design. The tree design is done using silver zari, and we have pink birds used here. pink threads are used, and we have pink borders. The borders here are jacquard weaving done using silver zari. Top border is 4 inches and the bottom border is 8 inches. A perfect Kanjivaram border. And we have a very elegant pallu. The pallu is also very elegantly zari woven. Fully copper zari base and pink are used, and we also have silver and copper zari usage in the pallu design. And we have blouse piece which is plain. Both zari as well as pink threads are used for the total blouse here. And we also have the borders which we can use for the sleeves. Excellent saree, very beautiful combo, and it comes with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram bridal silk saree, a very beautiful bridal silk with copper zari base. The complete zari warp it is, copper zari is used, and we have a beautiful pink shade, a copper zari shade as well as yellow shade in this particular saree. Very beautiful one with diagonal weaving patterns, completely all self weaving, handmade one with a very big border. The border of the saree is 16 inches at the bottom, which is very rich and beautiful. The top border of the saree is 6 inches in short one. A completely jacquard weaving, hand woven, very elegant collection with a beautiful tissue woven pallu. The pallu have copper zari work and it is rich and grand. With same tissue woven blouse piece. It's an embossed pattern in the blouse piece, tissue base, and we have the borders on both sides. This border can be used for a big sleeve, almost a 3/4 sleeve we will get. Beautiful saree with excellent design, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Kanjivaram bridal collection. A premium quality bridal silk in Kanjivaram with all self weaving. The warp here is completely copper zari. On it, violet color threads are used along with pink used for the meena work. A beautiful 3D type designing, very elegantly woven using zari and threads. And the pallu of the saree and borders are in same color. Very bright pink, it's a candy pink color, and we have silver zari woven design. Top border is 4 inches and the bottom border is 8 inches. Very elegant peacock and the traditional Kanjivaram border design. The pallu of the saree is also in the same pink along with copper zari weaving. Beautiful zari woven pattern. Very elegant, rich pallu. And we have blouse piece with the copper zari and pink combination, and we also have borders in silver zari base. Very elegant saree, beautifully designed and woven. Hand woven saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram silk saree, a very beautiful bridal silk with meena work and all over, all self weaving. On the base of copper zari, the warp here itself is a copper zari. You can see the copper glow on the saree. Along with that, olive green color is mixed to get a beautiful design. A tree on tree, the bird sitting design is given. The birds are done here using silk thread that is in pink color, which is very contrast to the body color. Really beautiful saree with excellent pallu, and the border of the saree is also in the pallu color, pink. The top border here is 4 inches and the bottom border is 8 inches with beautiful zari woven design, that is a silver zari used for borders along here. And we have a pallu that is in contrast, copper and pink mixed color. All over the pallu we have very elegant weaving, rich pallu with copper zari woven design, and we have plain blouse piece with the both zari as well as pink threads are mixed. Even the blouse piece we have the border which we can use for the sleeves. Beautiful design and excellent saree with authentic silk. Pure Kanjivaram silk saree, the bridal collection. Very differently woven saree here. Beautiful design, light pastel shade color. Best one for the weddings and the party wear. Light pista green color, the pastel shade of light green with all over silver zari weaving. Mild floral pattern, closely woven, beautiful design. And we have golden zari borders. The borders are 8 inches both sides. Very pretty one with the pallu, which is also very beautiful on the same green color. Golden zari is woven, very closely done, beautiful pallu. The blouse piece here is very different with silver zari borders, very differently being done. The saree's border is gold and the blouse piece border is silver with mild embossed pattern in the blouse piece. Very different pattern, beautifully woven. Blouse piece zari is completely contrast to the body color zari, which is very pretty, which is in the body portion. Excellent one with authentic silk.